In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use radio buttons in Adobe Sign. Radio buttons are perfect when your signer must choose only one option from a set, like yes or no, plan A, or plan B. When they select one button, the others automatically clear, which keeps the response unambiguous. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Sign. From the home screen, click Send or Request Signatures. Upload the document you want to send for signing. Before moving on, make sure Preview and Add Fields is enabled so you can place form fields on the page. Then click Next to open the editor, where you'll add your fields. In the editor, look for the Fields panel. From there, drag a radio button onto your document and drop it next to the first option you want the signer to consider. This first placement establishes the starting point for your set of choices. Next, add additional radio buttons for the remaining options by dragging more radio button fields onto the page and positioning each one beside its corresponding label. Assign all of these radio buttons to the same signer. This ensures the intended recipient can interact with the entire set. You'll typically do this using the Assign To or Recipient dropdown associated with the field, so that every button in the set is owned by the same person in the workflow. Now, give the radio buttons the same field name so they belong to a single group. Grouping is the key to making only one button selectable at a time. If the names don't match exactly, the buttons won't be linked, and the signer could accidentally select more than one. Remember, a radio button group should contain at least 2 buttons. That's what creates a true either-or choice. Here's a simple example. Imagine your document asks, "Do you accept the terms?" Place a radio button next to Yes and another next to No. Set both buttons to the same group name, such as Terms Choice. With that, the signer can select Yes or No, and choosing one will automatically deselect the other. A few tips for a clean experience. Align the buttons neatly beside their labels so the choices are easy to read, and keep spacing consistent across options. Clear labeling on the page helps signers understand exactly what each radio button represents. When you send the document, the grouped buttons will behave as a single choice set, making data collection consistent and reducing errors. That's it. Add the buttons, assign them to the same signer, and use the same field name to group them. You'll have crisp, reliable, single-choice questions every time.